Hi, this is Quinn from A Curious Wonderful Nature, here with a short video to tell you about this special month. Don't know if you know this, but March is Nature, Gardening, and Ecology Books Month. Yes, they have a month for everything right now. I wanted to talk to you about two books that I have found to be very helpful, and I think you would find helpful as well. The first one, the name of it is Foraging, and it's part of the Idiot's Guides series. And you know what? This book actually works. It's a great book. The reason why I love this book is that I have several books about plants, but some of them don't have color photographs. Some of them are just black and white drawings, which is great, but it's really good, especially years ago when I was really starting to get into foraging. I really liked having the photographs. And this book is really great simply because it also shows the different stages. It'll show what the stem looks like, shows what the leaves looks like, it shows what it looks like when it's small, it shows what it looks like when it's mature. It's a great book for anyone who's starting out with foraging. It also covers not just plants, but trees and mushrooms as well. And then at the back, they have recipes too, so that's kind of handy. The other book that I want to tell you about is the Field Guide to Mushrooms by the National Audubon Society. This book is pretty thick. It's really pretty thick, but it's still relatively portable. I think it's kind of portable. And what I love about this is that it has a lot of color photographs of different types of mushrooms. So you get over, let's see, it says how many? Hundreds. So it's about 762 mushrooms that are covered in this book. I have a slightly older version, so it's probably has been expanded by then. But it's a great book to carry with you when you are really getting serious about like looking at mushrooms. So I think it's a great book to kind of see like what's around your area, what's in your environment. So until we meet again, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, leave a comment below, and share if you know someone that lives in a city and they want to connect with nature. So be curious, stay wondering, and bye for now.